how to fix the mobile view on your Wix website quickly and easily. Sometimes your site looks perfect on desktop but messy on mobile, so here's how to fix that. First, go to your Wix website editor. At the top of the screen, click the Mobile View icon to switch your editor to the mobile layout. This lets you see exactly how your site appears on phones and tablets. Next, open the Mobile Tools panel on the left. Make sure to turn on all the tools that help your mobile layout look better, like Quick Actions, Back to Top button, and Mobile Menu. You can also drag and resize elements to make everything fit perfectly. When you're done adjusting, click Preview to check how it looks. If it's all good, hit Publish to save your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully fixed your Wix mobile view. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching.